Hi everyone, this is Dr. Raymond Chen, Star Master from Atomy, Canada. Now, diabetes have always been a troubling epidemic around the world for years. As we know, it is basically divided into two types. Type 1 diabetes is a direct result of not getting enough insulin into the bloodstream because of pancreatic insufficiency. This illness usually starts in a young age. Type 2 diabetes, on the other hand, rises because of the body develops resistance to insulin absorption as we age. Now, this usually happens in adults, particularly in people who are overweighted, and this group of people comprise mostly of diabetes around the world. Ever since the COVID-19 pandemic, scientists around the world have observed an increased incidence of a new onset of diabetes, particularly in individuals with more severe COVID-19. We are seeing increasingly more and more diabetes-related complications like retinal damages to the eyes, stroke, heart diseases, kidney failures, and peripheral nerve damage in the legs. This really put a lot of extra toll on an already heavily loaded medical system. People now have a much longer time nowadays to see their doctors or to access medical investigations and treatment. And this is not good at all. As a result, more people are now resorting to health supplements because of these reasons. Bitter melon, or Momodica cerantia, has been known to contain ingredients that are greatly beneficial in the treatment for diabetes mellitus. By utilizing innovative technology, Atomy has been able to identify a small segment or sequence of 19 amino acids, which is a protein building block called MCIRBP19, which is extremely helpful for humans to control the blood sugar within the middle melon. Now, this small protein segment has a very high affinity to insulin receptors in our cells, and it works by decreasing the fasting blood glucose level in the bloodstream by facilitating the absorption of insulin into our cells. This peptide sequence is being given a name called Insumate, and this is a fruit of years of extensive research by a big team of healthcare scientists. This product has already been verified scientifically, received multiple international patents, and even free invention awards around the world. Now, on top of these bitter melon ingredients, there's 5 other complementing ingredients being added to the supplements. These include chromium and zinc, which is known to enhance the transportation of insulin into the cells. Green coffee extract, which contains a substance called chlorogenic acid, which can help to improve insulin sensitivity in humans. And grape seed extract, which can also possess effects similar to insulin. Now, all these extra ingredients work hand in hand with this amazing innovative bitter melon peptide discovery to help us to control blood sugar much better. Other important benefits about this supplement is you do not necessarily have to be a diabetic to consume it. Now, some people are called pre-diabetic, a stage when your blood sugar level are between normal and diabetes. You can also take this product, as this actually helps you to absorb the sugar better, which in turn you may be able to avoid excessive weight gain. Now, for those who are already diabetic, you can also take these products to aid your diabetes medication, no matter you are taking pills or even injections. The recommendation is to take 1 to 2 capsules of the Atomy bitter melon extract compound capsule 10 to 15 minutes before meals twice daily. Whether you're pre-diabetic, a diabetic, already or thinking of losing an extra few pounds of fat, you should seriously consider taking these supplements. Now, as usual, you should always consult your healthcare provider before you can consume any healthcare supplement. to see if it is suitable for you or for your loved ones. In conclusion, Atomy Bitter Melon Extract Compound Capsules is in fact a new health supplement of helping us to balance the blood sugar and may help us to prevent many illnesses like diabetes or obesity. Thanks again for listening. This is Dr. Raymond Chen, Star Master of Atomy Canada.